Once upon a time in a land where twilight never fully faded, there lived a curious young wizard named Elrus. Elrus wasn't a regular wizard, he was known as the Shadow Wizard. Unlike other wizards who drew their magic from the sun, Elrus's power blossomed in the magical hues of dusk. He had the unique gift of weaving shadows into enchanting shapes and forms, sparking joy and wonder among those who beheld them. Every evening, as the stars began to twinkle like little diamonds in the vast sky, Elrus would stroll through the enchanted forest. It was a place where the leaves whispered ancient secrets and the air was always filled with a hint of mystery. Here, he practiced his magical shadow skills, much to the delight of the forest creatures who watched eagerly from their cozy nests and burrows. One particular evening, as the forest was gently bathed in the silvery glow of moonlight, Elrus had a special idea. He decided to throw a shadow party for all the creatures of the forest. He waved his wand, softly murmuring words of warmth and magic. Suddenly, the shadows began to dance, forming lively shapes like jumping rabbits, fluttering butterflies, and even swirling leaves. The forest animals were thrilled. The foxes grinned with their glittering eyes, the owls hooted in applause, and the squirrels gathered acorns as if offering them as gifts. But among the spectators was a tiny firefly named Flicker, feeling quite dim compared to the brilliance around him. Noticing Flicker's hesitant glow, Elrus gently called him over. "Don't be shy, Flicker. Every light, no matter how small, has its own magic. Let me show you." With a delicate swish of his wand, Elrus formed a special shadow dance just for Flicker. It was a gentle ballet of tiny stars twinkling around the little firefly. Flicker's glow became radiant, matching the beauty of the shadows around him. For the first time, Flicker felt pride in his own light. As the night went on, the music of the forest rose, the gentle rustle of the leaves and the soft chirp of the crickets all danced together in harmony with Elrus's creations. The forest was alight with laughter and joy, and Elrus's heart was filled with happiness, knowing his magic was bringing everyone together. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.